Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, you're going to see a short film created in front of your eyes. So it's going to be very interesting. So make sure you watch till the end. So in this video, I'm going to make a short film in 1 hour. Indeed, short film 1 hour lona. And writing, shooting, editing, మొత్తం 1 hour లో. Pitching Aniko? Yeah, even I was like when I thought of this challenge, maybe 1 hour is too less. How can we do all of this in 1 hour and stuff like that? But no, then I was like, let's take it up as a challenge and figure out whether we can make a short film in 1 hour or not. Before we get into the video, if you are watching me for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. I make vlogs, short films, web series. I upload on every Tuesdays and Fridays. So please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you will get notified when I upload a video. Hey guys, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Let the challenge begin. So firstly, I have sat down and started writing a story. A very basic story, very simple story that happens in one location, requires one person. I wanted it to be very easy to make, so I wrote it down. I tried to follow a very simple story writing format, and I came up with a very simple story. I completed writing the story in almost 10 minutes. So after writing the script, I knew exactly how the shots are going to look like and where exactly I wanted to shoot them. So I quickly went to shoot. I started shooting. The tip here is that shoot all the shots which happen in one single location at once so that you can save a lot of time. I did not cut the camera continuously, or I did not take a lot of angles because we do not have that much of time. I kept the shooting process very basic and simple so that we can make it quickly. After taking all the shots that are supposed to happen in my room, I came to my terrace to shoot the other parts. There are no dialogues that I say in the film, but it plays like a mind voice, which was a conscious decision to make the simpler film. I tried to take a few shots of the rain and some nice shots to make the film look better. After taking all the shots in my terrace, I had to shoot the envelope picking scene. For that, I did not have an envelope, so I quickly made one with the paper and shot the scene. After taking all the shots that I had to, there was not much time left for me to edit. Only 20 minutes were left for me to edit the film. After shooting the short film, I sat down to edit. The process is very simple, but there was only little time left for me, so I was worried that whether I can complete the challenge in time or not. I copied the videos to my PC and started editing it, and after editing it, I added some music and then I started dubbing my dialogues. It took some time because my mic gave some issues, and then 1 hour was done. There was no time left, so I was little disappointed in the thought that I did not complete it in the time. But I continued to edit it and I did some color correction and I rendered the film. So yes, I made a short film in almost an hour. It took more than an hour, say 1.5 hours. So yeah, are you excited to watch it? Here we go. లెటర్ వచ్చేసిందిరా. ఐఐటి నుంచి లెటర్ వచ్చేసింది. 3 months నుంచి ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు వస్తాను వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నా, కానీ అసలు ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు వచ్చిందో అనిపిస్తుంది. అనుకోవడానికి చాలా బాగుంటుంది కదా, అనుకోవడానికి చాలా ఈజీ. నచ్చని పని చేద్దాం అనుకోవడం చాలా ఈజీ. చేసేద్దాం అనుకోవడం ఇంకా ఈజీ, కానీ చేయడమే చాలా కష్టం. నచ్చని దాని గురించి ఆలోచించడం అన్కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఉంటే అది చేయడం ఇంకెంత నరకంగా ఉంటుందో నాకు అర్థమవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు. వాళ్ళు చేస్తున్నారు, వీళ్ళు చేస్తున్నారని ఎక్స్క్యూజెస్ ఇచ్చుకుంటూ బతికేస్తాము. లేదంటే మనకు నచ్చింది చేసి మనమే ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ అవుతాము. ఫాలో యువర్ డ్రీమ్స్, ఫాలో యువర్ డ్రీమ్స్. ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో స్టేటస్లు పెట్టుకోవడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది, కానీ టైం వచ్చినప్పుడు చేయడం చాలా కష్టం. ఆలోచన 1000 క్వశ్చన్ చేయాలవుతా. ఈ డెసిషన్ తీసుకోవాలా వద్దా? So how was it? What do you guys think? Comment down your thoughts. I know that short film is not the best short film in the world, or it's not a perfect short film. That was not the idea behind this video. The idea behind this video is to show you guys that you can make a short film in 1 hour. It is possible and you should try it. Yeah, I think that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys have any suggestions or challenges to give me, please put them in the comments. I will try to make them. So if you have enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and share this with your friends, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I make vlogs, short films, web series. I upload on every Tuesdays and Fridays. So I'll see you in the next video.